One outside by the pool. That's gonna give me no idea. I'll just see if my glasses have everything.
Básicamente. Necromancy Cosmetica. Esta. So for the base, I'm going to use this so I can do a smoky. This is what I use from Beauty Creations. A little base first. Open my eyes, and then that way I know how far I can go with it. Instagram today. Instagram Live. Because Facebook, I don't know. I'm just going to set this first. Blend, 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 blend.
See, are you scared of storms?
She is.
Baby.
Ah, ok. Sorry, es que no estoy muy pendiente. Porque después que yo me hago esto, me limpio el reguero y sigo con el resto de mi cara.
Or do you want to come over here so I'm sitting up in a chair?
Whenever I'm doing a smoky, I make a mess so bad. But then it just comes together when I'm done.
See, I don't think that's the thing. That's why I have problems with dark colors. It's goals, though. Goals.
Goals? What's goals?
Okay. Are you doing a live feed?
Yeah.
On Insta.
On Instagram, yeah.
Oh, that's why. I don't think I have Instagram on this phone yet. I do not. I hate it when you have to. Lean forward. More forward.
Ok, vamos entonces al foundation. Pero antes de foundation, let me put my glass stuff on my face. Fix my mug. Ya tuve mi primera consulta. Ahora tengo que esperar y buscar los papeles del nutricionista y toda la vaina para ver si el plan me la aprueba. Highlight. I will, promise. I will. I'll give you my feedback if you want. Yeah, set my face.
Use a spray.
What time is it? Ooh. Smoke, smoke, smoke out.
That's purple. That's like the bottom on second to the right.
Yes. That's a purple. Is that also a purple?
What if you're just a klutz that keeps spilling things on yourself?
I do that too. Sorry about it.
I'm doing terrible.
I think it looks good.
You're not seeing the mess.
She said it had to be messy.
There's
Yeah.
a difference between messy on the face and messy on the tights.
Oh, well, you're not supposed to get it on your tights.
I just said that.
Oh.
I'm gonna cry.
Yes.
I can do it, but we don't get along.
Gonna use my little fuck-proof mascara over here.
Did you just...
Getting on the way.
You chose to do it. Deal with the consequences.
Yeah, I know. Okay, now I have to concentrate. Because I will poke my eye out with the mascara for sure.
I'm more likely to do that with eyeliner.
Yeah, I need a wipe. I'll finish my eye and then fix it because I told you every time I do anything.
We're going to a goth party. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. There's a stripper pole there.
Bet.
I'm a BBW, but I can still shake my shit. Good.
I'm not used to that much eyeshadow on me, and
Ahora me voy a poner los lashes, mira. ¿Cuáles me pongo? ¿Cuáles me pongo? Ashley, which ones do I wear? Do I go big ones or smaller ones? Oh, right. Big ones it is.
hi Ash.
Snatched are this ones. I think I'm doing those. I know. It's that Gothic palette I bought from that company in Puerto Rico. I love that Gothic palette. It's beautiful. Boom. Girl. That's looking cute. Ooh.
Ha 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 ha.
What?
It's like a before and after picture. Look at this. I can't see what you put there. I think
Okay, so I'm gonna do purple glitter. Cause why not? Cause why not? Why the F not? Oh my god, so cute. Look at that. I love glitter so much. Look at you. Don't you like that glue?
Yes.
That glue will last forever. I bring it anyways just in case, but...
Always. Smart thing to do.
No. Okay.
some things I should not touch. I'm not gonna go there.
What about
So-
that glitter, girl? What?
I said there are some things I should not touch.
What did you touch?
My eyeliner, and now it's broken and it won't sharpen. I've got one eye done.
Well, I got more eyeliner.
I need a pencil.
Yeah, that's what I use. Here.
I don't have a lid to this one.
Here.
That's what I brought too.
Do you like it? Glitter is life. Even though Julio hates glitter.
Facts though. Oh, my lips are uneven. That drives me crazy. Fix that.
Oh. My eyes are getting a little bit watery.
First of all, let's fix that part. What are you looking at? Nobody has seen me with this much makeup on ever.
I've never seen you with that much makeup. I like it. Well, for the haunt.
People that haunt never see me with this much pretty makeup on. They see me with all the dirty makeup on. Close them.
Toby,
Ok.
¿me preocupa o no me preocupa?
¿Todavía no? Lo sacas ahorita. Okay, so that's it. Bye-bye.